Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Lee here. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on where you are. Thank you for clicking watch on my video. Before I go any further, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button and the notification so that you are aware every time your girl drops new content. So this is just a quick tutorial, guys, on how you can create a cute style on a budget. If you have short hair like myself and you don't want to put a weave on, you don't want to put a wig on, you just want to wear your hair with a little cute bun. So here goes, let's get into it. So I like to prep my hair first. I've only got moisturizer and serum on my hair at the moment, and I do this because I like to brush it down, get everything in place before I start applying holding spray, wax or gel. So once I've tied my hair back in a bun, I'm just going to play around with my baby hairs to see what I want out and what I want slicked back. So this is another reason why I don't go full steam ahead with applying loads of product on my hair in the beginning, because I do like to kind of play around and just see how it looks before I set it in stone with products. And I just find too much products on my hair before I actually set the style. It's just too much product build up and my hair starts to break and lift as I'm styling it. So I'd rather prep and then go in with my holding sprays, my gels and my waxes. So I'm using less than half a pack of Braiding Expressions hair, which you can get from your local beauty supply hair store for about £2 to £3 here in the UK. I'm not sure how much it is anywhere else, but it is relatively cheap. So this particular pack is already pre-picked. You don't have to buy pre-picked hair, although I would recommend, if you don't buy the pre-picked pack, to pick the ends before you install. I wish I turned around at this stage. Only when watching the video I realised, girl, what you doing? Anyway, you do place the hair in, I guess you would class this as a Mohican position, and then you tie the bottom part of the hair onto your bun. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm tying the bottom part of the braiding hair onto my hair, and I will do the same with the second part of the hair that I'm going to use. By the way, the amount of hair used is your preference. There's no right or wrong. It will all make sense shortly, guys. Keep watching. So now I'm going to do the wraparound, and I spray it with Gots to Be so that it holds the hair. You don't have to use a bobby pin, but you can if you want to. So at this stage I started twisting the braiding hair in a downward direction. I twist it down as far as I want my bun to be. So if I want it to be really short, I won't twist it down for too long. I will then twist to a certain length and then start twisting it up. But it will make sense as I'm doing it, guys. Just keep watching. So So I kept twisting up until the hair was neatly around the bun. Again guys, I didn't use any bobby pins, but for extra security you can use bobby pins once you get to the top. So I've now secured my bun and I'm going to set my hair now using my products. So I hope you like my finished look. Hair is a cute hairstyle that's affordable, quick and easy. Thank you for watching my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notifications so you are aware every time your girl drops new content. Until next time guys, you will see me soon. Bye.